channel. I am back with a new video which is super helpful and informative. So in today's video I'll be sharing 6 shopping hacks, tips, tricks, whatever you can say. So make sure you watch this video till the end cause इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद मे बी आपको थोड़ा डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है ये हैक्स के थ्रू. And who doesn't love discount? Also, if you are new to my channel or maybe older but you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and do it now. Also hit the bell icon beside that so you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So now without blabbering more, let's just get into some shopping hacks and save some more money. So yes. So as I said, I'll be sharing 6 shopping hacks, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये करोगे तो ये होगा या ये नहीं करोगे तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. It's like personally मेरे experience I have just jot down this points, 6 points and I'm sharing with you guys. So maybe ये आपके लिए work करेगा नहीं करेगा ऐसा हो सकता है, but most probably it will work for you as well. So let's start with the first point, that is start shopping early for the things that you really require. So let me explain you this point. I'll give you an example for a better clear explanation. So let's take an example of Navratri. So Navratri is all about oxidized jewelry, right? Everybody loves to wear oxidized jewelry in Navratri. So when you go and buy in Navratri that oxidized jewelry, they are so costly. Like उसकी demand रहती है वो time पे. So the people are selling it very costly. But now, if you buy it now, it is more cheaper than that period of time. So I would suggest you to go and buy early the things that you really need. As you can say winter का example also. When you go in winter के clothes के भाव कितने ज़्यादा होते हैं. Like they are super costly, that jackets and all of that stuff, beanie and all. But if you buy it now, they are not that costly. They are available in very affordable price. So what this point means is you should start buying early for the things you really need. If you buy this hack, you can save lots of money, and I'm not kidding, like this will really save your money. So let's start shopping early for the things, and yeah. So let's jump to the second point, which is very like super tricky. ऐसा बहुत बार होता भी है, बहुत बार नहीं भी होता है, but mostly मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है. So I thought let's just include this point as well. So this point is add to cart and wait for few days. Let me explain you this point. So basically when you add your product to the cart and when you leave it, like you don't make a purchase and just leave that cart like that, then some kind of notifications keeps on popping up like please buy this, like अभी ये और discount पे, we are giving you more discount the products you have added to your cart, or maybe like ऐसे कि the product you have added to your cart is now on sale, or maybe उसका price reduction हो गया. ऐसे kind of messages तुमको definitely आते होंगे. So that's what my point is, like when you add to your cart and leave it, so they try to insist you to make a purchase of that product. So that's the reason they keep on sending this message, discounts and coupon codes. So maybe अगर आपको बहुत जल्दी नहीं है प्रोडक्ट बाय करने का, so you can use this hack, like shopping cart में ऐड कर दो and wait. अगर डिस्काउंट मिला तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो 2 दिन बाद परचेस कर लेना. So you can just go and see if work करता है या नहीं. So yeah. So the third point is look for reward system and discount. So now किसको डिस्काउंट अच्छा नहीं लगता? Everybody loves to have discount, and this video का मोटिव ही यही है कि अपने को कैसे पता चले कहाँ पे क्या डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So basically हर एक ऐप में या मे बी ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग में भी रिवॉर्ड सिस्टम या डिस्काउंट होता है. लाइक इफ़ यू बाय इतना और मे बी ये कार्ड से पेमेंट करो तो इतना डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. मे बी इफ़ यू डू लाइक दिस यू विल गेट दिस मच डिस्काउंट. एवरी store has their reward system. So basically get to know that and just grab that opportunity. Even online mein we have coupon codes and all of that. Just check what works for you. And basically ये apps वाले ना hide करके रखते हैं coupon codes, like they don't show us like you can use this code or that, but you need to just go through that coupon codes and see like what you can use. Also you can just wait for the sale date, like Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, ये सब पे तो हर कुछ दिनों में sale आता ही रहता है. So you can just wait for the sale date and just save more money, and yeah. So the next point is something you should definitely ask yourself before making any purchase. If the purchase you are making is on sale, you should every time ask yourself that would I buy this if it weren't on sale? लाइक मैनी टाइम्स पीपल डू इम्पल्स बाइंग, लाइक जो नहीं चाहिए होता है लाइक वो देखते हैं सेल पे एंड दे जस्ट ग्रैब दैट, लाइक वो यूज़ का है नहीं है, एवरी टाइम दे डू दैट, इवन आई डू दैट एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ कि मैं ऐसा ना करूँ. सो बेसिकली यू शुड नॉट बाय द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू रियली डोंट नीड. लाइक वो सेल पे है तो भी यू शुड नॉट बाय. लाइक you are paying something ना, like थोड़ा सा कम में भी you are paying, but you are paying something for that ना. but अगर वो तुम्हारे यूज़ का ही नहीं है so you should never buy that. So every time you purchase something from sale, you should definitely ask this question to yourself, like ये really sale में नहीं होता तो you would grab that or not, and you will get your answer. And that's how accordingly you should work and just make a purchase. So yeah, that was a point and a tip you should always remember. Let's jump to the next point, which is very important and I think everyone should know this point. So this is like you should always check other website before making any purchase. So now I will just show you one example also, and first let me explain you this point. So basically एक dress हर एक website पे available होती है, like Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra is like they have bunch of various brands. So basically तीनों website पे same outfits मिल जाएगा and there will be major price difference on each website. I would suggest you to go through all the website and also like जो brand का website होगा उस पर भी you can just go through and check the price. जिसमें कम होगा you should make a purchase over that website. And let me tell you, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है. I just got an example and I'll show it to you. So this is the red dress and this is showing on Myntra so costly, and when I search for the same dress on Flipkart, this is showing so reasonable price, and both the dresses are same, like same quality, same brand and everything same, and you can see the price difference. Like what is this difference? So every time you make a purchase, just go through different websites and make sure from which website you can just get the best deal and grab that deal. Now let's come to the last point, that is best time to buy TWT. Now you must be thinking, what is TWT? That is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So basically like this is the weekday, everyone is busy in their work, job, college, whatever they do, so they are busy. So people are busy in their own things, so websites and online traditional shopping वगैरह पे कहीं पे भी ज़्यादा सेल नहीं होता on this day, cause this is the proper weekday. So basically all the brands and shopping website, all of that keep discount on this days. Like मैंने बहुत बार notice किया है, अगर तुम भी notice करोगे तो you will just see it. So you should grab this opportunity and make most purchase on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, because it is a weekday. Mostly लोग Sunday या Saturday purchase करते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ purchase करनी होती है, because they are free in weekends. So yeah, I would suggest you to go and buy on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. And yeah, basically this was my point. So by this we come to end of our today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And ऐसा कोई तो point, tips या trick होगा जो आपको नहीं पता होगा shopping के बारे में, and I really hope कि कुछ तो discount मिले इस points के through आपको. And yeah, that was it for my today's video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Comment and let me know what do you think about this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Also Instagram पे भी follow कर देना मुझे please. And I'll be seeing you in next video. Till then, please take care and bye bye.